Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, September 25th, 2023. It is 4:11 and 24 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, graphene. So let's jump to it here. Efficient fuel molecule sieving using graphene. Date September 22nd, 2023. Source: University of Tsukuba. A research team has successfully developed a new method that can prevent the crossover of large fuel molecules and suppress the degradation of electrodes in advanced fuel cell technology using methanol or formic acid. The successful sieving of the fuel molecules is achieved via selective protein transfers due to steric hindrance on holy graphene sheets that have chemical functionalization and act as proton exchange membranes. As for realizing carbon neutrality, the demand for the development of direct methanol formic acid fuel cell technology has been increasing. In this technology, methanol or formic acid is used as neat fuel for generating electricity. The fuel molecules are also transferred between anodes and cathodes. Thereafter, the fuel molecules are unnecessarily oxidized and the electrodes are deactivated. In this study, the researchers developed a new proton exchange membrane comprising graphene sheets with 5 to 10 nanometer diameter holes, which are chemically modified with sulfonylic functional groups, affording sulfonyl groups around the holes. Owing to steric hindrance by the functional groups, the graphene membrane successfully suppresses the crossover phenomenon by blocking the penetration of the fuel molecules while maintaining high proton conductivity for the first time, the best to our knowledge. And to date, conventional approaches for inhibiting fuel molecule migration involved an increase of the membrane thickness or sandwiching two-dimensional materials, which in turn reduce the proton conductivity. In this study, the researchers investigated structures that inhibit the migration of fuel molecules through electroosmotic drag and steric hindrance. And consequently, they found that the sulfonylic functionalized graphene membrane can remarkably suppress electrode degradation compared with the commercially available naphthalene membranes while maintaining the proton conductivity required for fuel cells. And furthermore, simply pasting the graphene membrane onto a conventional proton exchange membrane can suppress the crossover phenomenon. Thus, the study contributes to the development of advanced fuel cells as a new alternative for hydrogen-type fuel cells. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.